right, so here we are. We finished the steam distillation slash saponification step. And so we kind of got three layers here. We've got this oily layer on top. This is probably a lot of material. Maybe some unreactive triglyceride. It may also just simply be organics that won't dissolve but also won't steam off. We've got the solid impurities here, also not going to react away. And we've got this very foggy solution here of our saponified material. So I've got some steam, some hot water here for filtration. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our material and we're going to add a bunch of activated carbon to it. And what this activated carbon is going to do is that this organic layer here at the top that we know we can't react away because we've been sitting here for 30 minutes, this is designed to get most of it off. So if I give it a good stir, there we go. So now we've got solid impurities. Our liquid impurities have been mopped up by the activated carbon, and now on the bottom here we've got our saponified triglyceride. This is going to be a mixture of the 1,2,3 propane triiodoglycerol and our palmitic acid, but the palmitic acid in this case, because it's so basic, is in the carboxylate form, so it's the sodium and water. And so the next step here, I'll show you in the next video, is we're going to filter it out. All right, so I've got material that I have used steam distillation on, that I've used hot water to get the water-soluble impurities out of. And now I've got a mixture, I've also got some activated carbon there to pick out the liquefied organic impurities. So what I'm going to do next, and I'm sorry for the noise, is we're going to use some vacuum filtration to get this. Now, a big thing here, this is actually the product we're looking for. Usually when we do vacuum filtration, what we're trying to isolate out here is what's in the filter paper. But in this case, what's in the filter paper really isn't that relevant to us. It's basically our activated carbon, which is a whole bunch of organic impurities we weren't looking for, and the solids that we couldn't react away or dissolve. Now, what I'm also going to do, take about 25 mLs of hot water here. I'm going to add it. Yeah, so that was very useful for you to see. 25 milliliters of hot water here. I'm going to rinse out my reaction flask from earlier. And give this just a little bit more time to finish filtering off. But you can already see I'm kind of getting like this foam layer you'd expect to see for soapy water. That's kind of what we're doing here. We have finally isolated the soapy layer. So it's going to kind of boil here just because we've got hot water in here. Yep. It's in there good. So there's my activated carbon with all the impurities from earlier, and here is my isolated product with the glycerol and the fatty carboxylate acid.